Well, hello, good morning, good morning. We are live. We got about 9 minutes here to the bell. Just getting everything set up here. How's everybody doing this morning? Taking a quick look at the news for the day. I think we had a pretty quiet week coming up. We have some news tomorrow. Core CPE, durable goods, growth rate, personal income, yada yada. Today, no red folder news, but we do have new home sales coming at the hour in about 40 minutes. New home sales month over month, yellow folder. So nothing too serious coming up today, which is all right. It should be a pretty quiet session then. Let's get everything connected over here. For some reason, I'm not getting any sound from my own channel. Oh, it looks like I might be connected to the wrong. Bit of a weird situation here. Okay, there we go. We are good. We are good. All right. Just getting my Tradeify accounts all logged in here. Top on futures. Blue sky. Hey, Jerry, good morning. How are you? Good morning, good morning. How's everything going this morning, Jerry? I think I jumped onto Nick's stream and it looked like he had shut it down already, but he said he's going to be back in about an hour or something, or an hour after market opens. So yeah, I guess he's going to be back a little bit later. Were you in the pre-market show? So we're back in this inverted fair value gap here. We have a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. We're back in it. No real news coming up. Got about 5 minutes till the open here. I'm not sure. I've been modifying my pre-market routine, so I wasn't in the stream today. Oh, gotcha. What do you do in what have you been doing instead this morning, or pre-market? Hey, you popped your eval with only 400 to pass last night? This market is hard with all these giant wicks. Yeah, dude. Just taking a look at the price action, I can see what you're talking about. Got to be just keep the sizing in mind here. Like, look at this candle here. This guy was like 100 points. It doesn't look that big when you're looking at it like this, but so we are above the POC. We're above midnight open price, above the overnight VWAP. So we might be a little bit bearish out of the gate here. We'll have to see how this goes. Might sound strange, but watching the sunrise and drinking tea before New York Open has been working for me for stabilizing the adrenaline in the mornings. Hey, there you go. Beautiful. Yeah, that'd be nice to be able to do that. So we got about a minute and a half here till the bell. Be aware, we're ready to go here. There's a good chance we're going to pull back down here to, we do have a bullish fair value gap at 29,255. You went on tilt. I need to control myself better. Oh shoot. Yeah, dude. It's probably the hardest part of the whole thing, isn't it? Controlling that tilt. EC Drive 10, what's up? Good morning. How are you? So we got about 1 minute here till the bell. Good luck, everybody. Looks like this trend line that I have in place here is kind of working. Is this the trend line, or is this, no, this keeps being my EMA keeps popping up. I don't want that. For some reason it keeps putting a weird EMA on my chart. I'm like, where is this trend line coming from? Okay, it's an EMA. Never mind. Hit the gym, feeling good. Let's do this. Nice. Very nice. All right, good luck here, guys. 10 seconds. I usually just drop my anchor right away here out of the gate, so. Market's open here, guys. Good luck. MNQ starting to look a little better. Oh, really? I'll have to take a look at it here in a bit. Finally, some people are starting to trade that, I guess. You want to be bearish, damn? Currently not looking that bearish, hey? Slow grind up here at the moment. Let's see if they're going to go for these, see what happens when we get to the pre-market highs here up at the 29,420 area. Test at 29,400. Yeah, it could be, right? I would be careful as to what's going to happen at that point, that's for sure. Looks like we got about 17 people watching this morning already. 7 people in YouTube and 10 people in X. Pretty decent turnout so far. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning session here. We're just trying to wait out the first 15 minutes here, see if we can't find a trade. We do have previous day high, which is right up there at 29,480. But I would say first is kind of 420 if we're going to get, you know, some continuation here up to the pre-market highs, sort of. We have been bearish here for multiple days. Hey, Blackout News. So maybe today is going to be one of the first days where we're actually going to have a little bit of bullish momentum. But I wouldn't be pushing for too high. Like if we were to look for let's see if this candle gets a nice closure above 29,380 area would be sweet. We got to make a new high on this candle, or we could end up sort of coming back down. So we do have a 15-minute bearish fair value gap here, right? 29,360 is the top of that. Let's switch up this song here a bit. I think it's time. Hey, Dr. Hamat, how are you? Good morning, good morning. I'm doing good, thank you. How are you? Good morning. Trying to wait for this morning price action to shake out. We went straight up, got a nice strong closure there, and then we're all the way back down to the lows here. Okay, we're on the third candle here, so we're getting close to our 15 minutes. Now I can't believe we traced this fucking hard. It's hard, right? Yeah, pretty much, eh? Just slow and steady, you know, here. Just be patient. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Don't put too much pressure on yourself or on the first 15 minutes, right? First 15 minutes can be a bit of a wild situation here. Just gonna put my VWAPs on my other accounts, just make sure everything's all anchored up real nice here. We got 4 minutes left here on this candle. As long as we can get a closure above 29,364, I could definitely see us sort of turning it a little bullish here. Let's just mark this guy out just because. Trapping everybody? Yeah, totally. So we got 2.5 minutes here. Let's see if these bulls can step in here or not. I don't really want to trade it in this price though. Like I want to see us start getting out of this. You know, ideally we can kind of break out through the high, maybe get a little pullback, and then sort of take a long targeting previous day high in a funded account here. Well, let's try to be calm and patient here. We got about 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle here. And we got this 15-minute gap here. Price pulling back down. Well, we're getting about 1.5 minutes here left to this on this candle here. Are they gonna be able to get through this? I don't know. We'll see here. We will see. That'll be a good sign for the bulls if we're gonna be able to push up and make a new high there or not. Let's see here, 59 seconds left. So let's see. This is going to be the key candle here. We can watch the 5 here. What we need is a closure above 366 for the bulls sort of to be in control. We do have this 15-minute fair value gap above. So we know that this candle, when it ends here in about 40 seconds, if it isn't closing above there, well, not guaranteed, but there's a good chance that that's going to be the serious roadblock for the rest of the day kind of idea. Might end up heading lower. We got about 20 seconds left here. Let's see if the bulls can step in or not here. You need them to pop it here in the last 10 seconds now. All we need is 364 here. Doesn't look like we're going to get it though. Closed inside the gap. Still pushing up here though. Swept the highs. We swept these highs here, this 375 area. Trapping everybody, right? Pulling back now here. You're out with a knee scrape. I'm not trusting this. Okay, yeah. No, I don't blame you. I mean, so far we've just barcoded. The only good thing is we did sweep that high, although, you know, kind of got rejected instantly. See if they can actually get a little momentum out of the high here. Good morning. So we got about, we got 7 people watching in YouTube, 5 people in my channel, 2 in Nick's, and then we got about 10 people in the YouTube or the X. Good morning, everybody. How are you guys all doing? Hopefully we're being a little patient here this morning. Just trying to see what's going to happen here. Bit of a barcodey, choppy action so far, but we are looking slightly bullish at the moment. We did create a bullish fair value gap here on the 3-minute chart. So I am trying to grab it into a long here. Gonna be pretty aggressive on putting a stop in here relatively quick. Hopefully this thing doesn't straight pull back all the way back down here. Kind of chase this a little bit just after the momentum here. New 5-minute candle here, starting to get a little bit of a pullback out of the initial candle. When does the BS end? Facing a little bit of drawdown here. Let's see if we can't get this thing popped back up towards the 400s. If we get it back above my price, I'm going to be, like I said, I'm going to be a little more aggressive here. Put a stop into profit. Hopefully we can get a little bit of momentum, just rip right through the 400s, start shooting up towards the 420s again. That'd be beautiful. It'd be ideal, but you know, with the way the price action's going, maybe I'm asking for a little bit too much at the moment. Geez, might have to cut this guy here if we get much lower. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this guy's here. Cut that trade. Just can't let it pull all the way back down on me here. Think about re-entering here if we start looking strong back up above the 400s. Took E Nano long for fun of it. Based on the commission fees and spreads, it has to move 7 more points to break even. Wow, that's pretty crazy. My stop is under the body of the hourly. So pretty flat. Need to wait for the candles to squirm. LOL. They'll be rebel against the range eventually. And stopped. Okay, fair enough. There we go. Some action. Yeah, it looks like it. Straight down here. Strong through the VWAP here. Yep, just closed that candle there down at the 306s. I realize I want a big move to happen as disruption to the range so I can catch the next one. Trading the range is self-destruction. Yeah, that's fair. It's fair. Pretty valid. Can try a 2 micro long here at the lows. Let's see if we can't get this thing to bounce back up. Two micro long here. Let's see if we can't get back to the VWAP here. Getting a bit of a squirmy candle there. Really need to get back above the 300s. Maybe the long bias is incorrect at the moment, but I got a 50K eval here. U.S. Conference Board consumers average median 12-month inflation expectation. We're slightly higher in August. Most consumers, 61.3, still anticipates higher interest rates over the next 12 months. Nasty price action here at the moment. Seems like that 300 level is going to be the tough area for us at the moment. Should probably think about cutting this guy now too. Maybe my long bias is incorrect here, guys. Not feeling that happy about it now. So this is an evaluation here, take profit trader eval. White House official to Al Jazeera, no talks or discussions are currently underway or scheduled with Iran. Okay. Just give me 1 sec, guys. I can run to the bathroom real quick here. And I'm back here. All right, we currently got about, we still have about 16 people watching, 6 in YouTube and 10 in X. We are getting a little bit of a bounce here. It does look bullish. It just depends if you want to do between now and the bullish move. Yeah. Yeah, this I do have, you know, I do have some room in this account here, so basically pretty close to a brand new account. I was up about $350, almost $400 in this account, so got a full 2,000 drawdown. Definitely not going to get into more than 5 micros on this guy. Hey, Jose. Good morning. How are you? What's up, buddy? Have you guys noticed, do you think that the algorithm's not sharing me as much anymore? Because I feel like we have less viewers compared to normal. I mean, it is August, so it's a bit of a interesting time in the trading world. Off for today, flying out to Europe this evening for 2 weeks. Nice, bro. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. Tapped right into the right into my entry price there. Yeah, where you headed to? You've had subscribers in the 90s for a bit. Yeah, it's been a bit. So maybe test 300 first, then 320. Yeah, it's 2090. I think this whole, because I've been having to deal with family issues, I kind of dropped off for a little bit last week in the channel, and then now it's like all of a sudden they're I'm not getting promoted as much anymore. So I don't know what I'm gonna have to do. I might have to go and try to change some what's it called? Change the thumbnails again, maybe. I don't know. Change the title again. I don't know. Seemed to work last time. Yeah, it seems like it. I mean, I don't know. Like, because it seems like all of a sudden, just because I needed some personal time last week, it just seems like all of a sudden YouTube isn't sharing my account like it was before, right? Not enough juice on the way up. Yeah, it seems like so far we're just stalling out here. Looking like the Bears are kind of taking control here again. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to cut this guy out too now. Let me see here. They're just looking so bearish. I don't think the longs are the way to go at the moment. Looking like that was our opportunity to take a short. Nice. 188.50. Very nice. It's been okay. Today, not so good so far. 2 losers. Overall, relatively green on the month. You've been scalping longs today? Nice. Good job, dude. I don't know how you did it. I've been in longs and it's been killing me. So really don't know what to do in this market. If you feel that way, though, it's definitely a good point to just stay flat, you know?
Survival is what keeps you strong. Stop, get hit, okay, I'm gone. Capital protected tomorrow, we're on. FOMO calling, but I let that ring.
Yeah, that 300, ever since we broke through the 300, it's just been straight wicking down candles here. I like it too. Every move is just a grind, 10 points up, 12 points down, etc. Yeah. It's been pretty wild here. Well, good for you, Lone Wolf. I don't know. You've been obviously buying the longs at a good timing here. Hey.
What's going on, Doc?
Hey, how are you? Good morning.
Doing all right.
I noticed that
A little bit of
you ended your stream, so then I scrolled to the end of it to see what you said, and you said, "Oh, I'll probably be on in about an hour or so after market opens." So
yeah.
I was kind of
Yeah. You were kind of what? I'm sorry.
expecting you.
Yeah, here I am. Here I is.
He's here, everybody.
So I don't know if I told you I opened another cash brokerage account.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to try out the Top Step brokerage.
Mm-hmm.
So it's interesting.
Are you have
Just
to trade on Project X?
Yes, but I subscribe for an API key so I can attach it to Trader's Post.
Okay, nice. Yeah.
So that's much better for me.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
But I funded it with $1,000, and I'm just kind of playing with it to see whether or not I can actually get used to this platform or not.
Yeah. So you got a couple options.
Yeah. Still, it looks like a gamified platform to me.
Mm-hmm.
It's like they tried to make it similar to TradingView and just fell short. Does that make sense?
Yeah. It totally does. Well, it's definitely like Tradeify or Tradeivate or TradingView's data feed and everything, right?
Yeah.
Like this, they're basically their same. They probably like purchased some sort of like license off of them or something, right? Seems like
no idea. Yeah, probably. But it's my first day of trading this, so
yeah,
I'm up 197.47 so far.
Sweet, nice.
Single account, nothing stupid. You taking any trades yet this morning?
Yeah, unfortunately, I took 2 losers already, so was long and yeah, not very good. Not very good. The YouTube algorithm's not very happy after I had those few days off last week dealing with the family issues. Yeah, it's Sunday we had got close to like 100 viewers, but it was still pretty. It took a while to get there, anyways. Not like in the past. And then like today, you know, we got like we only got about 6-7 people in YouTube total. So.
Well, I just made a mistake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I placed an order on Tradeify platform because I wanted to do just my Apex accounts.
Mm-hmm.
And I put in 17 because that's how many accounts I have. And I hit the enter button and it wasn't copying.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I made like $50, but I just closed it out of me. As soon as I realized I did it, I was like, oh yeah, no, close it. Gotta go.
Yeah. Crisis averted.
Looking at it, I should have stayed in it, but you know.
Big Teflon says you need to move to a 12/24 stream schedule. So the algo can't ignore you then. Yeah.
I don't know if your mental capital would be able to handle that.
Right. I don't think I
I
could
know
talk
mine
that
wouldn't.
long on the stream.
I think I did the most boring live stream ever this morning.
Oh, really?
Like looking at the charts, going, yeah, okay, these are some levels. This is just a bunch of bullshit.
It is August.
Yep.
August has been a pretty tough month here.
It's been a tough month for everyone.
Yeah.
Is NQ going to keep going down here today or what?
Geez, kind of seems like it. I mean, this is kind of one of the strongest candles we've seen for the bulls anyway since the opening candle.
It's still not looking great.
No.
Yeah, it's pushing back down again now.
Yeah.
Or trying to, anyway. I'm thinking these buyers are taking control here. Those are famous last words, though. I think the last time I said that, it rocketed up and went through my my stop loss.
Oh, yeah. Figures, right?
Yeah, usually the way it works.
Taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Used to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through.
Just looked at my Lucid accounts and they say failed on all 5 of them.
What?
I updated the traders post and yeah, they're still there.
Oh, they just like disconnected off of them or something?
Yeah. That scared the crap out of me for a second.
But Jesus.
Like, those are all funded. What happened?
Well, we did have a 1 minute bullish for VWAP that we had formed there, but price just rolled over, went straight through it here.
Yep.
We got initial balance now. This 5 minute chart's looking so bearish. So bearish.
Look at the 15.
Holy crap, yeah.
It'll make you want to cry. If you're in a long. I am not, so I'm all right with it. Ugh.
Well, that was a huge flush.
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the closet, left a mark. First light on the second screen. P&L blinking.
Put in my NQ short.
Room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candle stopped to print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with a face. Every whip took a chunk. Every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I
So we had a bit of a nasty swipe down there, and then now we're just going bullish. So what the heck's going on here? Hey, Angia, good morning.
No idea.
Big swipe down. It was like a 40, 50 point swipe down.
And coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be. NQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fussing every candle, enough chasing every move. If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better.
Well, that might have been the catalyst that we needed for us to bulls to like kind of come back into the action here, but I don't know.
Yeah.
With the wick, that's the only thing I'm looking at here that says that we did tap midnight open and the POC. Angia, hey. Yeah, doing okay. I mean, I took a couple losses so far, so not the greatest start to the day, but can't win every day, you know.
First light on the second screen. P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through.
Got another NQ short in here. 29,222. 1 micro. Not risking much.
never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with a face.
And just added one contract to it.
Every whip took a chunk. Every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Every snap that ripped me open and what it made me do. Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling.
Was this a joke?
Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be. MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's dating or
I don't know. It sounds like Angia wins every day.
Yeah, pretty much.
enough chasing every move. If peace feels like
So we got about 8 people in YouTube and 11 in X. I haven't seen Klee in a few days. Have you? It's
Nope.
been a minute. Hopefully all is well. Probably just busy.
I've never seen Klee in the pre-market.
That's true. Probably not getting up that early.
I am expecting this to push back down again, but I got my finger on the exit button just in case.
another crack it NQ, dome gone dark. I tagged the close, it left a mark. First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise.
Trump tweet to blow accounts. LOL. Yeah, right. Hey,
Yeah,
Jack
it's,
Knapp. Good morning.
Trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the hedge,
What were we gonna say there?
waiting for
Yeah, the Trump tweets are the bane of my existence.
Of course, right?
I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candle stopped to print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with a face.
This is Angia's market, though. She loves her shorts. So, shorts have been paying lately. Coming out the gate looking like it's going to be bullish and then just go straight down for a few days now. Trying to suck in the longs. Okay, EC, have a great day. Got to get to 9 to 5 to pay the bills to get to the promised land where fundeds will make us a living. Yeah, of course. Yep. Smart.
That's it's a goal for everyone, isn't it?
I got losing days as well. Mr. Dave and my dad know it. Yeah, you guys do sometimes. Angia, for sure. I've seen it before, but they are pretty rare, from my understanding. Which is great for you. I love it. I love it.
Angia, win or lose, you're always a winner in my book.
Another crack, it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the close, it left a mark. First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw is tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candles start to print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with a face.
All right, this is going back in my favor now.
Very nice.
Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying.
Contracts in, locking in $40. So if it comes back and stops me out, I make exactly $36.50. Okay, locking in $50.
And she goes, I love you, Dad.
That somebody does.
Yeah, I just
go
ahead.
No, after you.
I was just saying, I've been kind of struggling last week or so, or half a week, just kind of like not really sure what to trade here, you know, like just you know, I'm not the strongest on the longs, and then I end up taking some losses on those. Or sorry, not confident on the shorts, and I end up taking some losses on the longs, and then just kind of like just don't really know how to read this market at the moment. So
yeah, this past couple of weeks has been pretty rough. The markets are doing exactly the opposite of what you think they're going to do.
Just not being definitely not being friendly, let's put it that way.
Ooh, not even a little bit.
Like last week I struggled to make any profits, really. I'm up 755 on the week.
All right, but at least you're green for the week, so that's good.
Yeah.
Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need.
It's going to be another boring stream of watching candles do
Nothing good.
nothing great.
Every snap that ripped me open and what it made me do. Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down. One more look, there's no rush to be. MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough for
Yeah, not really much continuation here, either direction.
No. It's probably going to chop for a little while before it makes any move up or down.
in a better groove.
We've been struggling also. I'm new, so I thought it was just me. I blew an evals, so I'm back to the paper trading, still trying to figure out a solid, repeatable strategy. Yeah, that's a good way to do it there all day today.
The thing that you have to remember is just because it's repeatable doesn't mean it's going to be 100%.
Yeah, yeah. You're going to go through losing streaks depending on the market and everything, so maybe you got to actually consider looking at, you know, your sizing and stuff rather than necessarily the strategy. So sometimes you're going to go through these stretches where you're going to lose, but if you can, control your sizing or something, maybe that'll be that kind of the answer to your questions there, or at least you can survive through the losing stretches.
Yeah, make sure your losses are smaller than your wins. That's step number one. Don't move your stop losses. Don't add to losers, only to winners on pullbacks.
Trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back.
I trade really small, but yeah, moving my stop has been a problem. Yeah. So what you should try to do is, go like, okay, well, if I'm going to take this trade, you can try this anyways. I don't know if your strategy could work like this, but consider where you would put your stop ahead of time. And then I've tried this before in the past and it's worked pretty good sometimes. And then you wait for your stop to where it would have been hit and then you enter. Not financial advice, but
I've done that before. It's like, oh, I want to enter here and put a stop here, instead put a limit order where I wanted my stop. And it worked out pretty well.
Yeah, it can swipe down, hit your stop loss, and then go to a profitable area. Again, it's not a full fail-safe strategy, but
no.
But I mean, the other thing to do really here is also just, decide where your stop is going to go before you take the trade, and then just don't move it, right? Where is it going to invalidate the trade? Put the stop there. Wait for a reasonable risk to reward on your trade idea, and then do your entry, right? So
automatic stop losses aren't a bad idea either.
Pardon, Nick?
Automatic stop losses are not a bad idea either.
Yeah.
If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove.
Yeah, just place your stop. Don't touch it. Make sure you respect it.
Yeah, never move a stop loss. That's it's like rule number 1. Never, ever, ever move your stop loss. Unless you're moving it into profit.
Yeah.
If you're locking in profits, that's one thing. But don't take a bigger loss than you initially planned on. MNQ trying to go bullish.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. NASCAR to respect her. Hee hee. Or closer to your entry. Oh yeah, you can always, you can move your stop loss up if it's like, if you want to take a little risk off the table. If you're start getting into a winning trade, maybe, you know, bring your stop up to previous candle low or something like that. Make it make sense. Don't just drag it up for no reason. But trail that price.
All right, interesting. So I had set a 3 micro long on NQ at 29,200. Oh, 29,200 on my Blue Sky account with a big old stop loss on it and an even bigger take profit on it, and that account's up $230 now.
Nice. Yeah, I'm in a 2 micro long here from 29,227. Got my stop loss 2 points into profit. Just gonna see if I can't let this guy run here for a bit. See how it goes once you get up to that VWAP. That'll be kind of the key area. We're at the overnight VWAP right now. This could be a resistance level. How is Vicky Luffy doing this morning? And Lafta showed up. Hey.
First light on the second screen. P-Nail blinking red and green. Boomer still, jaws tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan.
NVIDIA earnings tomorrow?
I forgot about that. Been wanting to forget about that. Wow, buyers are just fighting right now.
I added 1 micro to this. Stop is back into 2 points into profit. On that, added 1 micro on that pullback. Let's see. Hopefully we don't sweep lower.
You went along?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're hoping it doesn't sweep lower. Yeah, you're in a long.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't necessarily think all the time.
Just got to hold value area high here. The bulls could do that. It's getting pretty close to my stop though. Looking like it's going to stop me out maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I got stopped out there. And slightly in profit, but just no continuation. No continuation there.
All right. I just closed out that Blue Sky account.
Nice. Not bad. Remember when I told I'm sticking to my rules, I kind of did good, grinding away 700 more to pass the account. Very nice. Very nice. That's amazing. Keep it up. I thought it was a good entry, Wayne. I thought we were going to get some continuation here, but it looks like, you know, I don't know. Not looking that friendly now. Unless that was the move down that they needed to go higher, but geez. I guess I didn't wait long enough to do an ad in there. Although that would have stopped me out anyways, because I put my TP, or yeah, my stop 2 points into profit on the 2 micros. First light on the second screen, P-Now blinking red and green. They're accumulating for longs or shorts. We'll see. Yeah, exactly. Going sideways, popping up and down here over and over. Accumulation. So I tried to set up the stream so that we had the vertical stream also going this morning, and I was getting like an error from StreamYard saying that they didn't have enough resources.
Weird.
Like too many people were streaming all at once or something. I don't know. And then it's like, we're generating more resources. Try back in 30 to 60 seconds. And I'm like, waited, tried again, waited, tried again. Didn't work. I'm like, so I took off the vertical stream and then it went through right away. So I don't know.
Got nothing for you, buddy. Sorry.
Yeah. No, yeah, it's all good. $29,213 here now. Jeez, this is going straight down.
Yeah, looking at RTY, it's going up.
Oh yeah. Are we watching the wrong ticker again here? Dow went straight down. ES went sideways, then down. NQ went pretty much up a little bit, then down. RTY, let's see here. RTY went straight down, but now it's looking pretty bullish, eh?
Yeah, I'm in a long right now. I'm up $300, so
Nice.
there's 4 contracts on RTY.
How much are each point worth on the RTY?
$10
Per big contract?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Has anyone tried printing out their chart and scanning it as a barcode? I haven't. You think it'll tell you what to do? It's like, the chart is telling you to go long. The barcode. So Night Build Audio made a new song, because I don't know if you've seen Yo Jim, you know, Yo Jim Blob or whatever, he changed his name now. And
Okay.
It's like Yo Jim violated by VWAP. So anyways, Night Build Audio made a song for him. I haven't heard it yet, so I'm gonna play it right now.
Should be interesting.
There he is. Right on the level. VWAP. Jim lean in 930. Screens all lit. Curve so smooth he stares at it. Price comes sliding down that line. He moves closer. Takes his time. Little wick. Then one more. Hot pressure. At the core he pushes in. She pulls him back. Oh damn. Violating Jim's.
Violated Jim's VWAP.
Wow. That's that's something.
Actually, pretty funny. Pretty good song. It sounds good. Interesting. This is not PG-13? Yeah. Yeah, my dad. Hey, good morning. How are you?
Then turn around, candy pain in every sound. I was running without him, beautiful, feels like sin. He blames markets, he blames cues, anything except the truth. But he chased it, that's the trap. Now he's begging, come on, VWAP, slow it down, feel the heat. Good lovers, wait the beat. No prediction, no attack. Let her show him how she bends. VWAP.
Nick, did you get that big 5-minute RTY volume spikes shakeout?
I got I hit my take profit. So I think I made $150 on that. Or no, it hit my take profit before that. Sorry.
Nice.
Next time he won't rush in. Next that candle brush his skin. Watch the volume, watch the pace. Feels the tension, face to face. Risk defined before the click. Set intention, nice and thick. If she flips,
I did enter a 2 micro long here down at the lows, right at the near 200s here. If we start pushing below the 200s, gonna probably just exit this guy, but sort of just trying to play the range at the moment, not much options. This is in some Lucid evals. Copy trading 3 evals here. They can just push up to the 20s here. That'd be real nice. Okay, got a little pop there. Okay, I'm gonna go break even +2 there. Maybe +5 actually. Come on, let's keep going here for once. Come on, NQ, don't. Coming back. Stop me out there. In a profit.
At least it stopped you out in profit. And
Yeah.
not the other way around.
right on the level. VWAP. Gym lean in 930. Screens all lit. Curve so smooth, he stares at it. Price comes sliding down that line. He moves close.
I don't know why it keeps removing
One more. Hot pressure
the indicator that
pushes in.
Big T sent me there.
Damn. Violating gems.
What the heck?
Violating gems.
So what's
Hold him close.
what's Big T's indicator?
It's like a volume delta
Oh, okay.
indicator. Yeah.
Is that did he put that in the Discord?
No, it's a private invite only, so I'm sure he could send it to you if you're interested.
Nah, he probably has other things going on. Doesn't like me much anyway.
Then turn around. Candy pain in every sound. Now it's
Nick is welcome if he'd like it. There you go.
feels like sin.
Oh hell yeah.
He blames markets, he blames cues. Anything except the truth, but he chased it, that's the trap. Now he's begging, come on, VWAP. Slow it down, feel the heat. Good lovers, wait the beat. No prediction, no attack. Let her show him how she bends. VWAP. Violating gems, VWAP. Pull him close, then arch them back. Violating gems, VWAP. That rejection hit like that. Over, under, and down they roll. Who has control? He lets it go. He had his levels, had his stats. Still got violated by. VWAP. Next time he won't rush in. Next that candle, brush his skin. Watch the volume, watch the pace. Feels the tension, face to face. Risk defined before the click. Set intention, nice and thick. If she flips, he just adapts. So rides that wave, letting VWAP snap.
Because Big T says, "Hey, I like Mustang. WTF?" He says the best volume profile on TradingView.
Wait, Jim.
All right. Check it out.
Just-
We'll or send it to me and I will see if I can get it up on the live stream by the end of the week.
Come on, VWAP. Bring him back. One clean entry feels so right. Read her rhythm, then react. That's how
So Night Build Audio made a song that it's making me want to dance in my seat here.
This one, yeah. I made this one too. It's pretty good. It's like a momentum song. Don't fight the momentum.
I'm trying not to.
Some days I'm wrong, some days that runner just keeps running on. Some days I cut it and watch it reverse, but chasing that candle only makes it worse. I've had green days, some red real fast, had bad trades, teach me more than the cash. You can't control what the market would do, you only control what you're willing to lose. One win, one loss, that ain't the story. Stay calm, stay locked, don't just the glory. When the rhythm starts and the tape gets moving, I know my moment, I know what I'm doing. Momentum, when it comes out, I'm ready. Hands on the wheel, keep the heartbeat steady. When some lose, some still don't.
Just, oh yeah, you need to give him your Trading View username. Because it's a private only indicator right now, so then he'll send it to you. That's how he got it to me also.
Survival is what keeps you strong. Stop, gets hit, okay, I'm gone. Capital protected, tomorrow we're on. FOMO calling, but I let that ring. This money never cost me anything. No revenge trade, no doubling down.
That's 681 orders, sitting down to 29,125 on MNQ.
125. I got a little mosquito flying around here trying to munch me.
Kill him.
I think I got him. Can't see him now though.
Green on the screen doesn't mean that I nail. One trade never decides who I am. It's thousands of choices, all part of the plan. I don't chase highs, I don't fear lows. I wait for my moment, and when it comes, I go. Momentum, yeah, now we're moving with it all day. Now the market is choosing, win some, lose some. That's the game that we play, protect the downside, live to trade another day. Momentum, let the winners run. One clean trade can change.
This is fascinating. I'm up $150 per account in one basket.
Yeah.
I'm down $27 in another basket. And I just started trading my my funded futures account on its own, and I'm up $1. Total dollar P&L. Ooh, that's exactly it. $1.
Crazy.
Oh.
Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging MNQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candles start to burn right where the stops were placed.
Backing along here.
Thank you, Long.
Yeah.
Row. I'm looking at shorts.
Locked in 15 points in profit here on 4 micros, up 170 on these evals. Come on, NQ, just don't do an instant pullback here. Just give us a little more out of this.
And I just took my short.
Okay, well, I got out of that trade with profit anyways. Like around 74, 80, 110 bucks or something. Was expecting a little bit of resistance here at the value area high. Pretty low volume push. You made $6?
60.
Oh, nice.
And that's another case of you going long and me going short, and we both
yeah,
ended up green on that trade. All right, I'm gonna lock this account out.
Another crack it ain't cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the close, it left a mark. First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head
and rejected here on the New York, NQ. Popped up to the value area high there, and previous, well, I guess that would be Friday VWAP, and rejected. Interesting morning, only down a small amount, but the Trump truth post saved me. Was down 503 accounts and then magically up 300 in a microsecond and couldn't close it fast enough. Gotcha. Good job though, Night Build. Or congrats, I guess. So we closed that candle right on value area high. All right. My chart is showing the wrong value area high in POC. What do you mean? Compared to yours here? Because yours is developing PLC, right? Mine is from previous days. Previous day PLC. Yeah, those are previous day. Nice little pump here. Jeez, all the way up to the VWAP. Wayne says value area high 3015.9 RTH.
All right, I'm gonna go grab myself some more coffee.
Sounds good.
Another crack, it ain't cute. Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts blowing. Let's go. While the weak hands panic, we let the winners ride.
So we're in a low volume node there. Is this, would you, Big T, is this like a place where you'd say, well, this could be a good short area? There's this low volume node right there. Now that we've refilled it. Jumped into a short there. Locking in some more profit here, up 160, 180. I took that idea that I was just talking about and ran with it. Locked in some more money here. See if we can't keep going here. Go down more. NQ. Go, go, go. Looks like it might bounce and stop me out here. All right, got out of that guy. Nice little W. Perhaps not on its own though. Well, the only reason I was looking at it, I'm like, looks like we have the VWAP there, plus the low volume node and the the developing POC. So I thought, you know, if this is going to be an area to get a rejection off of, I could see that happening. Lots of confluences right at that level. Also, we had the 200 EMA right there, 29,259. Getting a little chilly here. I'm just going to throw my sweater back on.
The market doesn't care. What you worry Chris says, better miss a good trade. Better miss a good trade. One piece of wood. Burning forever. One piece of wood. Burning forever. Yo, Tim got wood. Burning 40 years. Nobody knows why. Break 500, 100, going up. Break 500, 100, going up. Top 40 added one more.
So it's interesting because the low volume node was green, I guess because we were above it with price, right? Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah. Everybody got a system.
5-minute RTY, that volume spike in the immediate background looks like dip buyers for the big boys so far.
You don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows?
Back over to the RTY. We do have a bullish fair value gap, 33,010.4.
Let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab. Yeah,
I've looked at every low volume node system online. Mine is the best. What do you mean for system? Are you just mean like where it shows the low volume nodes are, or like the way you trade them, or please elaborate? I'm curious.
One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But
there's different ways of doing it in indicator. Most of them don't do it properly. Is that because you've been doing it on like the second chart or whatever?
If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick.
Weird, now that low volume node is red now, but before earlier it was green.
Discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts. No
Popping up right to the VWAP here, finally breaking out to the top side.
In the chart, trade your own story.
Once a candle closes beyond it, it'll be green. Gotcha. You need the candle closures.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP, my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line.
Closed right on the VWAP there.
If you got enough time, but I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design, talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name.
That MNQ volume was dip by. Kind of looks like it, eh? Hey, Wayne.
This is the way to mend this, ain't it? So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there.
No, I'm currently flat right now.
Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the
Price pulling back here a little bit off of this push, right off of the VWAP.
I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that, but who really knows?
How's your morning going, Jack Knapp? You been taking any trades? Oh, I thought Nick said he'll be right back, but I guess he's gone. Maybe you got a power outage or something. Happens.
No shortcuts, no magic formula.
Hey Tim, good morning. How are you? Long time no see. Well, not really. It's been like a day or two. Okay, Nick's back. There we go. I was just saying, oh, Nick's gone. I wonder if the power went out or something on him.
Nope, no power outage.
Yeah.
Not this time.
Not on this time, hey?
Not on this time. I remember the time
when the monkeys jumped on the roof and played with the internet.
Yeah. That was a fun day.
Let's see if we can mess with this internet right now. Let's grab these little wires and tug and pull and jump around and have some fun.
Yeah.
Monkeys doing what monkeys do. Monkey see, monkey do.
Yeah. Monkey do. Monkey's about to see a rock get, tossed at him from down below.
Get like a sling. Get out of there, Mr. Monkey.
A sling. What is this, like 40 BC?
Jungle Book. Jungle Book.
But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days.
I got a 3 micro long in. Oh, NQ. There we go. Keep going. Locked in 25.
System gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control.
That was a bit of a wick up there, hey?
I took $40 on that.
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits. Let the truth
Close the short just in time. Nice job, Big T.
VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales. Just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcut.
What the heck was that price there? Rocketed up 579 contracts purchased, bought at like above the 300 there. And then just turned straight around and went straight back down. Like, what the heck?
I don't know. This is making me not want to do any more today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that.
And there we go again.
Really knows.
Yeah. I was trying to step in here. Oh, but sellers are pretty aggressive at this level too. Here's this Jerry's favorite type of price action. Let's turn that song on real quick here for him. Wiggle, wiggle.
Market butcher on the screen. Wayne's watching volume, Jerry's watching candles. And somebody better find Gordon. W's in the chat. Let's trade.
Atlanta and LAD game tonight. Kershaw is doing the color on TV.
Is that what's causing this price to move?
FVG. Green Delta, red candle, NASDAQ doing something scandalous. Volume pumping, candle squirm. Jerry says that's when it's time to learn.
Dodger fan since 1958? Really? Since you were born? How old are you, Wayne? Is that your birthday?
Wayne? Well, I don't know how old he was or is, but he did say that he, when he was very young, the Dead Sea was still just sick. So
Jerry says Dodger fan since 1993. What happened in 93, Jerry? Or is that your birthday? CVD zips up 300, then down 300. Yeah. In 1958, you were 10. Really?
Chad says, you short, right? Well, you asked if I was short.
58, that 40? You're born in 48? That's pretty crazy. 52, 72, 78. Almost 80 years old, Wayne? Really? You are a maniac if that's true. Mustang has a historical banter.
you're not wrong.
Then quickly adds, not that I know about that. Mismade cookies. Nobody
Apparently,
dude.
we can just. What's that?
Well, Wayne, 52, 60, 72, 78, 78 years old. And still trading. Good for you. Tim said, I thought I was the old man of the group.
Now we're feeling great. Big boys active. Bobby, candle squirm. Big boys active. Big boys active. Big boys active. Jerry, candle squirm.
Jerry, candles, squirm.
First time here. Wonder Man asks, you love every day.
Oh, Dave, I just don't know what to do with you anymore.
Welcome to the stream. Trade safe.
Blame Jerry. It's Jerry's fault.
Respect VWAP. And
Fair
remember,
enough. It's all Jerry's fault. Jerry, cut that shit out.
trading
This chat comments made this song.
started that we use in the chat. Let's trade. Let's trade.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Gold getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. CE market so choppy, man, I should've.
Oman, Iran foreign minister stressed the importance of holding joint discussions with countries overlooking the Gulf waters joint strait. You think that's bullish news, but with this market, who knows?
Hello in the chat.
Has the market become numb to Trump tweets and Iran news?
Seems kind of like that, hey?
Here's hoping.
Oh, you got
That's the
to.
case.
Yeah, go ahead.
If that's the case, it'll be harder for him to sell his Truth Social posts to the
Yeah.
whoever.
Jerry said, I got to manage the construction of a new Dodger Stadium outfield. Favorite project of his career. That's pretty
Nice.
cool. Where do you make AI songs? I feel like I'd be an excellent music producer. Suno. Suno. Suno.
So choppy, man, I should have respected it. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked in drug. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. CEO tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off. Chart still moving, never really stops. But we back again when the session start. Market, but your gang, yeah, we play it smart.
There is a free version. I think you can do like a song a day or something like that, but it's a little bit limited. Like I think you get a certain amount of credits or something that you're allowed to use. So
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat. Yeah,
MNQ stuck at VWAP? Yeah, in between overnight and New York.
Early morning surf, yeah, the vibe too clean. Now we back at the charts trying to read this screen. Do we?
Yeah, it's about to start going up.
War news dropping, markets don't play.
It's trying.
But then boom, TP hit while I DC. Went long on MES, yes.
Making an effort.
She's making an effort, that's for sure.
I'm locking in 2250.
Nice. Green
Part
trade,
of the
green
reason
trade.
I wanted to continue up. I'm in a 3 micro long on NQ.
Okay. Well, I hope you're right then.
Yeah, we'll see. I don't have much faith in this market today,
Yeah,
but I did just lock in profit, so
that's a relief.
I'm gonna be happy with that.
Are you on RTY?
MNQ.
Oh, okay.
Price went up for a little bit. We're above the 9 and the 15 on the 5. Bollinger Bands are opening up. Trapped at VWAP. I made 25 bucks on that one.
Gotcha.
Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Gold getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got disconnected. Market so choppy, man, I should have respected it.
Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't
Something screaming at me.
From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. Hello in the chat, yeah, the
So why is it that all birds that are blue are just noisy assholes?
Is that true? Yeah.
Yeah. In the
Good
States,
question.
bluebirds they're just mean little nasty things.
Mm-hmm.
They down here they've got these bluebirds that have a feather on the top of their head, looks like a peacock.
Oh yeah.
And they're the same way. Screeching little assholes.
Huh.
They just mess with other birds constantly, and
but then someone says don't trade, yeah, we back off. Discord check, yeah, we built that crew. 1K subs, yeah, we coming through. Coffee in the morning, charts at night. Oh, market butcher stream, yeah, we do it right. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run. Hit the TP while I got
Jerry or Wayne. I don't know, Wayne. The market is chopped, I guess. I guess the market is chopped.
Silver, my friend, yeah, we stacking wins. CEO tomorrow, yeah, the chat logs off. Chart still moving, never really stops. But we back again when the session start. Market butcher gang, yeah, we play it smart. Good evening, good morning, where you trading from? Go getting close, yeah, the moves might run.
Market butcher roll call.
here's where NQ pulls down.
Yeah, it looks like it.
So much for my thought about it going up.
Yeah.
Market butcher. Late night future. VWAP is a king. Angie's dropping schedules right on time. Your dream saying thank you dirty every night. J-Mon yelling hit the light. Top 40
All the way back down below value area high now. What the heck is this market here?
I got nothing for you, man.
Just doesn't really not making any sense. That's for sure.
It's a light news week. We got
Right?
maybe I'm just overthinking this.
I mean, I guess we were below the VWAP. We bounced up to it, found the resistance there, and then just headed straight back down. I mean,
You know what? You're right. Thanks for straightening me out. I think I was just overthinking this.
yeah, me too.
brings us home. VWAP is king. Everybody sing. Price comes back like a boomerang. VWAP is king. Let the candle swing. Don't go broke, taking profits. That's our thing. VWAP is king. Value high, value low. Watch it flow back again. Back again, smart money always knows. Force fed calling out the moves. Randy's cool, he's got the groove. Jerry waiting, never rush. One clean sled.
You like this tune? Yeah, it's a good one, eh?
40 says reach first, but Moon Boys, dogs stole the show. Drews and nitrous, rocket flight. Everybody laughing all night. No FOMO, oh, only flow. Jomo steal the show. One good trade. Walk away. Tomorrow brings another day. that's crazy. Keep it steady. Boner candle. Straight up high. Watch retail. Wave goodbye. FVG VWAP PMC. One more pullback at Rico. Market butcher. Still the show. Leewag's king. Everybody sing.
All right, I'm gonna recontract RTY short, and now I'm at break even in that. Oh yeah.
One more fun to dream. Smart money moves inside. Let's hear the crowd all scream. Leewag's king. Leewag's king. Trade like I love basic. One trade at a time. Market butcher.
She's a crazy price action here.
All right, I'm taking my $115 loss. I'm calling it a day.
Yeah, I'm pretty much ready to wrap it up here. Probably a good idea.
Yeah.
We're coming up on the hour here.
Yeah.
Pretty nice recovery there from those dip buying dogs. Hey, Wayne? Yeah, MNQ testing the dippers again.
Now, are you a big dipper?
Or a little dipper. The lines on the chart are restraining the market. I know, right? I should just remove them. Then it just make life so much easier, right? They just
Take the line off. Take the line off your chart and let the candle go.
quit
it to
putting
fly.
resistance in the way, right?
Spread its wings and fly like an eagle.
But it is kind of interesting. Like I have this trend line that we've had in there for quite a while, and then those last two candles, it like went up there and wicked back down. Like that trend line is right in there. So it's like I don't really know. Like Tory trend lines, sometimes they're like pretty accurate, you know?
I was just gonna say, did you learn that shit from Tori? How to draw lines on a chart?
Yeah.
It's pretty cute. It's adorable.
The audio goes, why didn't I think of that? Yeah, just remove all the lines, you know, and the price is just gonna go for us. Uh-huh.
Smart money moving quietly. Retail chasing wildly. Mustang drawing every zone. Patience always brings us home. VWAP is king.
All right, Dave. I'm getting the heck out of here. There's
Yes,
no
sir.
reason for me to keep dealing with this. Hey, no bashing Tori. I'm not bashing Tori. She's a good trader. I just don't need to take her course to learn how to draw lines on a damn chart. and just ask Dave, hey Dave, how do you draw lines on a chart?
Well, you just grab this tool, make sure it touches multiple points, and then just draw it across.
Oh, you see that? See that, guys? Now, I want everybody in the chat who just learned how to draw lines on the chart to send Dave $199 a month for the next 6 months. And he's going to show you this every single day. So that way you too can draw lines on a chart. After 6 months, you'll be proficient at it. You'll be able to draw those lines very straight. They'll be wonderful, wonderful, tremendous lines.
Tremendous.
Tremendous. Next week, we're going to cover how to make those lines thicker or thinner, depending on your vision and aesthetic style. And then after that, we're going to show you the difference between dotted, dashed, and solid lines.
Yeah. Can eventually teach you how to change the colors too if you really want.
Oh shit, that's advanced. I mean, wow.
Oil slippery, gold heavy, that gas crazy, keep it steady, bone it. Charts up.
Well, Dave, I'm leaving now.
Okay, Nick.
I'll
have
see
a
you
great
later.
day.
Oh, look at that. Jerry's signing up.
Sign me up. Nice. Okay. Let me
Night
send
build
you my
audio.
Venmo.
Night build audio. I mean, I think she is profitable and all, but recently all I see are her posts seem to influence her and not necessarily trading and trading topics. Yeah, I don't really need to see you in a bathing suit or at the gym or doing whatever. If you want to talk about trading, do so. Do your job. Other than that, I just don't give a shit. Yeah, you're a cute young girl. Okay, there are billions of them out there. Nobody gives a shit.
Yeah, we like it better when you show us your cute young girl trades.
Yeah,
Winning trades.
I mean, show us your trades, not your tits.
Yeah.
Just saying. Just an opinion, but, you know, it's mine.
I mean, trend lines do work, Night Build Audio, for sure. I mean, they have some place in the market, right? They don't always work, just like any indicator. It's just more of a... The hard part is, I guess, with trend lines is it's kind of discretionary, right? Like, your trend line might be slightly different than somebody else's trend line, so that's kind of makes it a little more inconsistent, I guess, right?
Yeah, I have never seen any value in trend lines at all. It's real simple. Look to the left. You know where the price has been. You can make a judgment on where you think it's going to go. You don't need a line on a chart to tell you where the price has been. If it helps, great. If it, you know, if you need that visual, but just take your head. Oh, yeah, there you go. To the left.
One micro feels too much real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the future's real.
Why am I still looking for trades? I'm getting out of here. I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Bye.
Meanwhile, Chris Spy at TH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty.
I kind of look at them like, okay, this is my marker for out or in, etc., but I rarely use them. Yeah, I mean, I usually draw some trend lines here and there, especially when we're in like long-term trends. It just kind of helps you see where price is going. And look at this trend line. So this one right here is a trend line that I put in there a long time ago, right? You know, we had this kind of like sell off here, and this opening candle went all the way down, wicked through it, and bounced straight up off of it, right? Eventually we ended up taking it strongly, and then price bounced up, rejected off it again there. So it went lower, came back up, and then we have these two wicks that are going through it, and resistance is staying below it. So there is some value to it, right? It's just sort of, you should probably use it in confluence with other indicators and stuff like that. So back to the beach with the Corona to ponder markets moved. Yeah.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, AQ is dirty, 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 dirty.
Now, is he going to reject off here again? Might not reject this time. 55 contracts here. I just got a phone call. I'm going to answer real quick. Sorry, guys.
Charts up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market, market put you on the mic, oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive, let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride, east session high while the chat this side, Bona candle print and the bears all high, market but you can't keep the dream alive.
Seems a bit like a bit of a scam message.
FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid eval, whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season, asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bona candle print and the bears all hide. Market but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then MNQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles.
Call up for cell phone provider and ask for all numbers from India to be blocked. No more scam calls. This was actually a local number. That's the only reason I answered it. Same area code, but I guess I don't know if somebody from outside the area could get that. So my day's not been very good. A couple losing trades and then a couple winning trades in evals. So a couple funded trade losses and a couple winning trades in the evals. So bit of a mixed bag. But I'm also thinking here, guys, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. Yeah, it's been an okay stream. Like I said, bit of a mixed bag for me. Looks like we're building a whole lot of volume down at this level here. We're currently above the active point of control, back above the VWAP. Price looks like we want to kind of go higher here. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah.
Another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Market but you gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader. Market but your crew, base hits forever. That's what we do. trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, AQ is 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30.
Yeah, let's wrap it up here, guys. So thank you so much for hanging out. We'll be live. What is it? Today is Tuesday, so I'm going to be back live tonight, guys, for the evening session. So come hang out, have a good time. Let's see if we can't catch some. Maybe the Asia session is going to be a little bit cleaner. It has been a little more clean lately, so that could be a bonus here. So thanks for tuning in. Jerry Trades, Big Teflon, Wayne, Blackout News, Angia, EC Drive, Night Build Audio, LAFTA, Fall Day today, Lone Wolf, Tim Core, Jose, Dr. Hamat, Vicky Luffy, Jacknap, Czar, Mick Riker, Wrong Trade Jim, and Yamadad. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. Yeah. Love you all. Appreciate the support. And yeah, see you guys later tonight. Come hang out. Try to get a couple extra ducks for your next Sunday race. And yeah, we will talk to you guys later. So peace out, guys. Bye-bye.
Yelling double top, maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like ESS, you high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid Val, whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season, asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the